Now you do want to get extra batteries for this, and I got 5 extra batteries basically for 12 bucks, and I'll have those links in the description area of this video, in addition to the drone itself, so you could actually get extra batteries for this. So let me show you the extra batteries first. And the reason why you want to get extra batteries here is it comes with a 500 milliamp hour, whereas these are 750 milliamp hours, and I got 5 of these total for a total of 12 bucks, which gives me over an hour and a half of flight time. So I do want to give you a closer look at the battery charger. So this is the third-party battery charger that I got that charges 5 batteries at the same time. So you'll notice all you have to do is really plug it in. There's 5 batteries here, 1 slot, 2, 3, 4, 5 slots, and it does have the light indicator, so you could see that they're all charged. But this does give you basically a good 10-12 minutes each battery pack. Sometimes these battery packs even last up to 15 minutes each, which gives you 15 times 5, which is what is it, 75 minutes of basically playtime and flight time. So there is a USB sort of charger here, so you could plug it into your laptop or computer when you are charging this, but for the most part this is the charger itself, and it does come in fairly handy. So just keep that in mind. I will have this in the description area of this video, so you could find it on Amazon for purchase. And you know, thank you for watching.